So, you type a question into ChatGPT, and the answer you get back is, fine, it's okay, but you know it's not great. You can feel the AI has more to give, but you have no idea how to unlock it. You sense all that power under the hood, but your results still feel generic, kind of mediocre, and honestly, a little bit soulless. What if I told you that you're only scratching the surface, and that the pros, the people getting paid 6 figures for this exact skill aren't using some kind of magic, they're using a specific, repeatable formula. In this video, I'm handing you that formula. These are the step-by-step secret methods that will transform your vague requests into hyper-specific, brilliant results. By the end of this video, you will have the one framework that separates amateur AI users from professional prompt engineers. We're going to turn your fuzzy instructions into briefs so detailed and effective, the AI has no choice but to give you exactly what you want. I call it the C.R.A.F.T framework. It's an acronym for the 5 essential pieces of a perfect prompt: context, role, action, format, and tone. We're going to break down each one, piece by piece, with real-world examples that show the night and day difference between a bad prompt and a C.R.A.F.T prompt. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll share 2 advanced techniques that pros use for really complex problems. And I'll reveal my #1 secret for making the AI do the hard work of prompt engineering for you. Alright, let's build our first master prompt with the C.R.A.F.T framework. Part 1. C is for context. Context is the single most important ingredient you're probably leaving out. Without it, the AI is just guessing. It's like asking a stranger for directions without telling them where you are or where you're trying to go. A bad, context-free prompt is: write an email about our new feature. The AI knows nothing. Who's the email for? What's the feature? What's the point? Now, let's inject some context. A good prompt starts like this: my company is a B2B SaaS platform for marketing teams that manage social media. We're relaunching a new AI-powered scheduling assistant that automatically finds the best times to post for maximum engagement. The goal of this email is to get existing free tier users excited enough to sign up for a demo of this new feature. See the difference? We've given the AI the who, what, and why. Now it's not guessing, it's working with a purpose. Part 2. R is for role. This is more than just a gimmick. It frames the AI's entire knowledge base and guides its style. A bad prompt is: explain the benefits of the new feature. A much better prompt assigns a role. Act as an expert B2B SaaS copywriter and a seasoned product marketing manager. Why is this so powerful? Because telling the AI to be a financial advisor for beginners gives you a completely different result than a hedge fund manager analyzing market trends. For our example, the role of an expert copywriter and product marketer ensures the language will be persuasive, benefit-driven, and geared for conversion. Part 3. A is for action. The action is the verb of your prompt, the specific task you want the AI to do. Vague verbs like tell me about or discuss lead to rambling, unfocused answers. You need to be direct and use strong, clear action verbs. A weak action is: talk about the new scheduling assistant. A strong action is: write a persuasive email of around 250 words. The email needs to highlight the top 3 pain points our users face, like wasting time or getting low engagement, and explain how the new AI scheduling assistant solves those problems directly. We've gone from a vague wish to a precise command. Write a persuasive email. That clarity is everything. Part 4. Format. Don't make the I guess how you want the output. Tell it exactly how to structure the response. Do you want a paragraph, bullet points, a table, JSON code, a script? A bad prompt just throws the task over the wall and hopes for the best. A C.R.A.F.T prompt specifies the format. The email needs a compelling subject line, a short intro, a bulleted list of 3 key benefits, and a clear call to action button that says request a free demo. Now, the AI has a blueprint. It knows the exact structure to follow, which practically guarantees a usable result. Part 5. T is for tone. Finally, let's talk tone. This is the personality of your response. Should it be professional, witty, empathetic, urgent, or casual. If you don't specify, you'll probably get a bland, robotic default tone. Let's specify the tone for our master prompt. The tone should be enthusiastic, confident, and benefit-driven, but still professional. Don't use overly technical jargon. And there you have it. Let's put all 5 pieces of the C.R.A.F.T framework together. Instead of our terrible first prompt, write an email about our new feature. We now have this absolute beast of a master prompt. Act as an expert B2B SaaS copywriter and a product marketing manager. My company is a B2B SaaS platform that helps marketing teams manage their social media. We are about to launch a new AI-powered scheduling assistant that automatically finds the best times to post for maximum engagement. The goal of this email is to get existing free-tier users excited enough to sign up for a demo of the new feature. Write a persuasive email of around 250 words. The email should highlight the top 3 pain points our users face, for example, wasting time, low engagement, and explain how the new AI scheduling assistant solves them directly. The tone should be enthusiastic, confident, and benefit-driven, but still professional. Avoid overly technical jargon. Format the email with 1. A compelling subject line. 2. A short introduction. 3. A bulleted list of 3 key benefits. 4. A clear call to action button that says request a free demo. The difference in what you get back from that first prompt versus this one, monumental. This is how you get the AI to give you exactly what's in your head. Once you've got C.R.A.F.T down, you can start using the strategies pros rely on for more complex tasks. The first advanced secret, called chain of thought prompting for anything that requires logic or multiple steps like a math problem or a complex analysis. You have to ask the AI to think step by step. This is called chain of thought prompting. You're forcing it to slow down and show its work, which dramatically cuts down on errors. For example, instead of asking, if I have a $100 budget and apples cost $2.50, while oranges cost $3, can I buy 20 apples and 18 oranges? You add one simple phrase. Let's think step by step. First, calculate the total cost of 20 apples. Second, calculate the total cost of 18 oranges. Finally, add those 2 costs together and tell me if the final sum is within my $100 budget. That one little tweak forces the AI to be transparent in its reasoning and makes it so much more accurate. The second advanced secret is few-shot prompting. Few-shot prompting is where you give the AI a few examples or shots of the output you want before you give it your actual task. This is an incredibly powerful way to teach the AI a specific format or style without writing a ton of complicated instructions. Let's say you want to classify customer feedback as positive, negative, or neutral. Instead of just asking it to classify a new comment, you'd set it up like this. Here are some examples of how to classify customer feedback. Feedback: the app is so easy to use. Positive feedback: I can't find the export button. Negative feedback: the new update is available. Sentiment: neutral. Now, classify this new feedback. Your customer support was incredibly helpful. By providing just a few examples, you've shown the model the exact pattern to follow, helping it nail the task. Now, the #1 secret that I promised you, okay? You've learned the C.R.A.F.T framework and the advanced techniques, but this next secret is the most powerful one I can share with you. Turn the AI into your own personal prompt engineer. You can do this with one simple meta prompt. The next time you start a new chat, just use this. From now on, I want you to act as a world-class prompt engineering expert named C.R.A.F.T. Your job is to help me write the most effective prompts possible. For every prompt I give you, you will first critically evaluate it and then rewrite it to be clearer, more specific, and more effective, following all the best practices of prompt engineering. Explain the changes you made and why they'll give me a better result. After you provide the improved prompt, go ahead and answer it. This is a total game changer. The AI will now do the heavy lifting for you. It will critique your prompts, improve them, and teach you how to get better along the way, all while delivering a far superior answer. So there you have it. You're no longer someone who just asks AI questions. You now have the C.R.A.F.T framework: context, role, action, format, and tone to give directions like an expert. You know how to use pro techniques like chain of thought and few-shot prompting, and you have the ultimate secret to making the AI your personal prompt writing coach. You have the formula. Now go apply it, experiment with it, and unlock what AI can really do. Write down any questions or comments in the details section of the video, and it will be answered soon. Like and subscribe to see similar content, then watch the next relevant video that will appear in front of you soon.